What's going on, everyone? Yash here, back again with another special video for you guys. So just to dive right into it, I want to show you a product that you guys should start testing or start selling on your stores if you guys already have not. Okay, so if you guys already aren't in my group, Ecom Masterminds, I'm going to leave a link down in the description as well. Definitely join the group. But for those of you that are, on September 15th, I made a post, about me revealing a Halloween product, right, that has huge potential. Now, this product did absolutely amazing last year around this time, around this time of the year when, Halloween is just coming. Right now, it's October 1st, so, you guys still have a month, right, to really sell this product. Now, this product, I recommend influencer marketing, right? Actually shipping out the product to an influencer to wear or showcase, right? Human perception is very, very important. And I also recommend utilizing Google ads, not Google ads, Facebook ads and Instagram ads, right? Facebook and Instagram, they're basically interruptive marketing, right? So this is a product that's a wow product, and it can really appeal to both men and women, across amongst any age group. That's a great thing about it, right? So it's mass targetable and it has a mass appeal specifically for Halloween right now. For those of you in other countries, I'm not really sure how Halloween works, but I know in the US and some parts of Canada and even the UK, right, Halloween is really, really huge. In the US here, Halloween is on October 31st, right? So just kind of get straight into it, guys. You guys may have already peeped it, but the product that did really, really good last year and it's starting to gain some traction again this year is the Halloween purge mask, right? Now, it looks very, very simple, but again, it's an awesome product to utilize through influencers. Again, like I said, shipping your product out to an influencer that can actually wear it and showcase it, right? As human perception is very, very important, and also to utilize on Facebook and Instagram marketing. So, as you guys can see, the topmost supplier here is selling it, for about $6.72 to $7 and some change. There's already 6,000 of these sold, more than 6,000 for a single supplier, right? I have it ranked by orders over here. All these different suppliers, a few thousand, 2,000, 1,700, even in the few hundreds, right? So this mask has a clear demand again this year. A lot of, products a lot of products, they come in waves, right? They come in kind of trends, as you can see, which we'll kind of go over a little bit later on, just how to really cross-validate and really just, execute this product, right? And just really confirm that it does have a lot of potential. So, most of these suppliers are, this one's selling a little bit higher. It might have some maybe better quality than the other ones, but, you can sell this at around $19 to $25, $19.95, $24.95. That's what most stores are selling it that I've personally seen. They have different colors, a whole bunch of different colors. This supplier even has a video, right? Maybe you can utilize this video. You can put different snippets of other videos together, but I really do recommend shipping the product out. You can basically ship it out from eBay or Amazon for faster shipping time, so you don't have to wait from AliExpress. Take some cool product pictures of people wearing them. Make some cool product videos. That'll be more beneficial for you guys when you start to use paid advertising for this product as well, right? You'll get, you'll get higher click-through rates. You'll get lower CPMs and also lower CPCs also, right? Cost per click. So I definitely recommend, making your own ad content if you guys, do go forward with this product. Some of these other suppliers are selling at a lower price. Reason might be, again, this supplier is selling more of them, so they're more in demand. They also might be a little bit more higher quality, but right, you can see that they range around from the $3 to $7 range, right? You can easily sell this at around $20 to $25, right? You make a really, really good profit margin, right? You're selling it for 3 to 6 times more than the actual price. So this is absolutely great, guys. Even if you go on eBay Watch Count or just watchcount.com, this is like another cross-reference site I like to use when researching and validating products. You can see there's a bunch of watchers for this product, right, in the few hundreds. So this definitely has some demand that you guys can see. And also on Google Trends, if I type in Halloween purge mask, go to the US, past 12 months shopping, since that's intent, you'll see that last year, a little bit earlier than what it is right now. Right now it's October 1st. It really started to gain a lot of traction. Stayed there till like 31st, and then started to come down, right? Because this is when Halloween is over. All right, so as you can see, this year it's just starting to go up, guys. All right, and I'm telling you, in the next week or two, this will be above that 50 metric mark in terms of interests. Right, so you can definitely see there's a bunch of interest in this and a lot of queries, right? Halloween costumes, LED purge masks. This can honestly even work well in Google, guys, right? But definitely Instagram and Facebook, 100%. Halloween store, Party City, right? So these are all Halloween related things people are searching, and the graph proves for itself, right? So this product can do really well on a one product store, really make it your own, really branded, or you can also make a Halloween related theme or niche store and really add a bunch of Halloween products, right? But if you guys, make a one product store and really brand it and really make it your own, it'll be a better result, right? Get a domain name that matches the actual product, right? Like, I don't know, like spooky masks or ledpurgemask.co or .com, right? It just gives a little bit more authority. So guys, definitely go out and sell this product or start testing this product. You still have some time. Just be in mind that people will want this product by the 31st, the latest, as that when is, since that's when Halloween is, right? So keep in mind of the shipping times if you are utilizing AliExpress, unless you're using other fulfillment centers or other suppliers that have shorter shipping times and better tracking information. I would definitely recommend to kind of keep in mind that, people actually get their products by the 31st, because after that, there's no use at all, right? People won't wait till, next Halloween and use it then. People want it for this Halloween, for this season. So you're going to end up getting a bunch of refunds and disputes and chargebacks. So you don't want that. So definitely keep in mind, of your shipping and of your delivery times, right? You want it to be at the person's place by the 31st, the absolute latest, right? So guys, go out, test this product. There's a bunch of pictures that you can use on Instagram, on Facebook, on Google. Use those. But I do recommend, ordering the product and you really making your own content, right? It will really, differentiate yourself from your consumers, and I definitely recommend using actual people to showcase or display the product. That's why if you're going to use influencers, go with personal influencers, right? So you can actually showcase and visualize the product to their audience. So with that being said, guys, go out, test this product, make some money. There's still some potential to be made. Actually, a lot of potential to be made if you execute it the proper way. Assuming your ad copy, your ad creative, your targeting, your store is optimized, all of that is good. This product will sell 100%, right? Especially these next 2 weeks, because that's when a lot of people start to really do their last minute Halloween shopping, or start to figure out what's really going on, right? And this is also the first day of start of Q4, so there's massive potential out there for this product. So with that being said, guys, hope you guys found some value. Hope you guys go out and take this opportunity. Other than that, comment down below if you do have any questions. Like this video, subscribe if you already haven't. Check out my Facebook group down in the description, like I mentioned earlier, and I shall check you guys out soon. Peace.